Ningkong ngidon na kajong history. Ningkong ngidon na kajong identity. Rata hilong bandri ban sumareka nakamta kaburom kolong primer prigi.
How do you like the festival?
Actually, we came just now, but
just
it looks so beautiful.
It's
and
look
we want
amazing.
to.
I never see something so.
Do you know the name of the festival itself? Or?
The name of the festival.
Given the festival. Yeah.
Thanksgiving festival. Yes, precisely. We call it a Pom Blanc Siem.
Pon glancing.
Pom
Pom
Blanc
blanc.
Siem.
Sing.
Yes.
This is an awesome festival, It's a gathering of people from different walks of life. We celebrate tradition, we celebrate culture. We also celebrate the meeting of people from not only Shillong or Meghalaya, but from other parts of the country as well. I see this morning that there are lots of tourists and they are walking around, they're enjoying local food, local cuisines. And for people from this side, I guess this kind of food is quite rare, So they kind of like it also,
Have you heard about this festival?
No, while I was coming here, I just searched in the net, and after I came here, I talked to the people here,
Okay.
and I got to know.
I think the people are very good natured. I wish to come back here.
Bảo sự im chỉ có khai được bên cạnh sự im khai cái phong đơn chứ cần bỏ lại bát đi cái em là ở đây tăng số sự im khai cái mình bỏ lại bên bát ta là ta pil đơn kan nó cả balang nó lòng ya katan kai cude katam klem nama pendala keladian pat sina katan kai tetip cike en beka benci la tin tip sisana
Kade.
Sinam apa long ni tengi dia mi kan kita kiriam kira jong kasih mah long man kasih tengi miram kan ni tama ngiam ni tang sinam long happen bercongdor kan ni long kariti gerstur jongi.
Kini ke dunia kisah hakane ke yeng gomba sibnai tam ne duna na ka benta bakin praktis bah kerukom tam iki bom jeki ksing ha kini ke yasa.
Ni kermian ba kanika jinglan niam jongi kan nia pateng dan sian kembangi ni penia ngaduk ke ba longshwa ila abu masangi ka kani ka jing shat jongi nien dai mar ka dai jong ke hima ti haba ka hima ka kentup lang bolong tanrai bola kala sekika nim kustan yakinu ki ba don kata ka jing kwa na kam sim la jong bikin don matalang
Ningkong ngidon na kajong history. Ningkong ngidon na kajong identity. Rata hilong bandri ban sumareka nakamta kaburom kolong primer prigi. Kejai beriu kabadon na kajong ka history, kabadon na kajong ka tenrai, kabadon na kajong ka leniam lerkom berketem kaput kesarmen ringkat berkajing kai korjeng giwei pagi jilong kerpang jui kalong kejai beriu pa im.